and welcome back to the Nap Pursuit. This is a combination video of Angelo's birthday, our time here in Tucumcari, New Mexico, and the fact that our truck has a lot of issues. Come journey with us and I hope you enjoy. We arrived here yesterday, Tucumcari, New Mexico, at Blazing Saddles RV Park, which is super lovely. Mike and John were so nice. We have yet to fully enjoy the RV park though because we're here with family. Angelo's aunt and uncle and grandma, we all got to be able to enjoy them. So last night we got to spend dinner at their house and see their home here and just be able to hug Dee Dee, our cousin. We got to have really good food. Ugali. So Angelo ate this a long time ago when he was in Africa. And he's teaching me now because he remembers. So you roll it and then, okay, so it's rolled.
You got a nice ball.
And then you use your thumb, make an indentation.
And that's where the food goes.
And then your food, you scoop the food and you scoop it like that.
Yeah. You use your thumb.
Oh, okay, I see it, I see it. And then you scoop it and you put it in like that.
Bite, yeah.
That's a massive bite though.
You don't need to. You don't have to eat the whole gut.
Okay. So today, Wednesday, is different than all other days because it's my babe's birthday. It sure is. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Do
You're
you?
awesome.
You are awesome, babe.
It's my birthday.
It is your birthday.
What's today?
Today is your birthday. Birthday. Today, on Angel's birthday, the 21st, he went to go get the part for the truck. The entire truck, when we're pulling the RV, started jerking on the way here. Like when the gears shifted and stuff, everything started moving back and forth like this. And so we had to dedicate a lot of our time here on Angelo's birthday, where Angelo went with his uncle and aunt to go to Amarillo, Texas to go get the part that's needed for the truck. And so now I'm driving there to drop the truck off and we're gonna continue enjoying Angelo's birthday tonight and go eat, so.
Yeah. Barbecue.
Everybody wave, you're on candid camera.
Oh my gosh.
Maya.
Now we're in another car together on our way to dinner. And there's Maya.
You guys want to see Maya fly?
I know.
Oh wow.
She said, whoa. I know. Such a
Don't
bad
get
parenting.
it. Don't get it. Don't.
Maya, sit down, seriously.
Here we are at Dell's restaurant. Got the whole family here. Yeah. Family!
Oh, that's not your mommy. That's my mommy.
Good morning. I see the really cool mountain over there. Yeah. It is freezing here. Angel's officially 30. He sure is.
25.
He's 25 forever. But we're about to head over to grab the girls and say our goodbyes. Yeah, I did lock the door. And be on our way to our next destination, which we did book, actually. For the first time, we booked it in advance, so kind of excited for that.
Yeah, because
Friends in the family.
Coffee.
Now we're gonna get a coffee pot percolator, you know. Okay.
Okay, that's all. Hakuna kama wewe. Okay, now for we'll all sing Baba wa mbinguni.
The girls say.
Hakuna kama wewe. Just mime along with them, okay? It's a short portion, okay? Okay.
Short man in the back.
There you are, my baby. We got our truck. We are saying goodbye to our family. And then we're gonna be headed back to the RV park so that we can grab our home. Is that your bye? And then we're gonna go like this. Kabam! And we're gonna go bam, like that. And it's gonna be attached.
All right, now we're on our way to go pick up the girls. Next adventure, Texas. Yeehaw.
Thanks for journeying with us. And thanks for journeying with us. And we'll see you on our next video.
Couldn't resist.
Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff.